You can work on social skills in person or virtually in one of Autism Behavior Services Incorporated's social groups. Visit our website or call us to get started today.
Don't mess up!
You distracted me, Adam. Not cool.
Oh man, I am just crushing Crystal Legion today.
That's great, but you're in the middle of bowling, dude.
Adam, you missed your turn.
Huh?
You really came on at the end, Toby. I can't believe you got 3 strikes in a row.
I'm not high-fiving you, Toby. You beat my score and I'm mad at you.
Adam seems to be having a hard time being respectful to the people he's bowling with.
Yeah, he's being loud and purposely trying to mess up his friends' scores.
He's also not paying attention to the game, and when he loses, he's rude to Toby. When playing a game with others, it's a great opportunity to work on our social skills.
You're right. We get to practice things like teamwork and turn-taking.
When someone is taking their turn bowling, we should try and be as quiet as we can. The bowling alley is loud enough, and people need all the concentration they can get. Also, trying to purposely mess someone up when they're bowling is very rude, and it goes against the social contract of good sportsmanship.
Playing a game like bowling requires you to be present in the game. Sure, everyone checks their phone from time to time. Adam wasn't doing that. He was playing another game, and that distracted him so much that he wasn't even paying attention to bowling or the fact that his friends were waiting on him.
Lastly, Adam is showing really poor sportsmanship when he loses the game. He doesn't have to jump for joy because Toby beat him, but refusing to high-five his opponent and complaining about losing, especially when Adam wasn't paying attention during the game, isn't the right way to behave. Win or lose, you should always be cordial to your opponents, because if things were different, you'd want them to treat you the same way.
Let's see Adam try this again.
Don't mess up!
You distracted me, Adam. Not cool.
Bro, I'm sorry. Great job, Toby.
You totally smashed those pins.
Thanks, guys.
It's not my turn yet. I'll get in a quick game of Crystal Legion. Wait, I'm having a great game and I'm here with my friends. My dad didn't take us bowling so I could be on my phone. Maybe I better not play my game.
Adam, it's your turn.
Let's go.
Crush those pins, bro.
I'm not high-fiving you, Toby. You beat my score and I'm mad at you.
That's not cool, Adam. Toby won the game fair and square.
Drew's right. Toby played a good game. I need to lock in more and focus. I'll play better next time. Sorry, Toby, you played great.
Adam did great in those second examples. First of all, he learned not to bother his friends as they were trying to roll the ball.
And Adam realized that as good as he was doing in the game on his phone, he owed it to himself, the people he was playing with, and his dad who took them bowling to stay focused on the game.
Lastly, even though the game didn't have the result Adam wanted, he showed good sportsmanship by congratulating and high-fiving his friend. By acting this way, Adam showed respect to everyone while bowling.